Welcome again to our ongoing video series on in-mold decorating. My name is Pat Tully, and I'm a program manager here at DuraTech. In our last video, we looked at some of the strengths and shortcomings of a few of the alternative decorating options for molded parts. Now let's review just a few of the features and benefits of the IMD process. First is the design flexibility afforded with a robust, multicolor printing process. Screen printing is a durable process for printing a vast array of vibrant colors to display unique graphics and looks for custom logos and other specialty images for your project. IMD allows you to produce multiple models using a single tool with simple label changes. It also allows you to consider decoration for complex, three-dimensional parts. IMD has many benefits that can help to improve manufacturing productivity as well. For example, IMD may eliminate secondary operations and labor that is present in pad printing or in the use of adhesive back labels. In-mold decorating allows you to shoot and decorate a part for life in just one operation. The elimination of the cost of the adhesive and the time and cost of applying an adhesive back label can oftentimes lead to lower unit pricing. In addition, lower systems cost will be seen in many applications as staging and inventory can be reduced or eliminated. Finally, resin inventory costs can be reduced due to the stocking of fewer colors. In many cases, only one resin color is required in an IMD application. Well, that ends our brief review of the features and benefits of IMD. We hope you can join us for our upcoming look at the criteria for choosing films used in the in-mold decorating process. See you again soon.